In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the safe mode on Samsung Galaxy A37. In order to go to the safe mode, first we need to open the power menu. So for example, if we go to the control center or quick settings from the upper right corner, over here we should be able to find this power button. You want to tap on it, and then we should be able to get the power menu. So now in here, we're gonna just press and hold our finger on the power off button. And then after like a second or so, it should turn into the safe mode. And you want to tap on the safe mode button in order to restart our phone. And then once it turns on, it is going to be in the safe mode. And there we go. This is how it looks like. As you can see in the bottom left corner, we have the information that we are in the safe mode. So of course the airplane mode is automatically enabled. You need to keep that in mind. And even if you exit the safe mode, then the airplane mode can still be on. So you might want to turn it off later on. Now, if you want to exit the safe mode, you can just open the notifications, and then here you can find the information about the safe mode being enabled. So you can tap on it in order to just restart your phone and go back to the normal mode. But what you can also do is you can go to the quick settings again, and you can just open the power menu, and then in here you can restart your phone. So a simple restart also works once the phone is restarted. And you turn it back on, of course. I mean, once the phone turns itself back on, then you will be back into the normal mode. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.